Dhanashree Verma has recently spoken out about her divorce from cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal, sharing the emotional toll the experience has taken on her. The couple, who were married for 4.5 years, finalized their divorce a few months ago. Earlier, Yuzvendra Chahal had revealed that they had faked their marriage for 2 years, adding complexity to their relationship story. In a heartfelt interview, Dhanashree revealed how overwhelming the day of the divorce verdict was for her. She said, "I still remember when I was standing there and the verdict was about to be given. Even though we were so well prepared mentally, I got so emotional. I started howling in front of everybody." She further shared the depth of her emotions during that moment. "I couldn't even express what I was feeling at that point. I just remember that I just kept crying. I was just howling and crying." Of course, all of that happened, and he, Chahal, walked out first. One memorable moment from the court proceedings was when Yuzvendra Chahal wore a t-shirt that read, "Be your own sugar daddy." When asked about this, Dhanashree commented, "You know that people are going to blame you. Before I had even known that this t-shirt stunt had happened, we were all aware that people were going to blame me for this." She also made a light-hearted remark about the situation, saying, "Our bhai, WhatsApp kar deta. T-shirt क्यों पहना है?" which translates to, "You should have sent it on WhatsApp. Why wear the t-shirt?" Dhanashree also opened up about her unwavering support for Yuzvendra throughout their marriage. She expressed, "You have to put in an effort. I know how much I have stood up for my partner, and everybody has seen that. Like for the smallest or biggest things, I have been there. Maybe because of that, my emotions came out. How you behave on that particular day is a reflection of you as a person." Reflecting on love and relationships, Dhanashree shared a profound message. "I think we all want love in life. Like, who doesn't want to be loved? We all do. Somewhere, we all hope, and we all have that faith. Sometimes, love is something that drives you too. Self-love to chahiye hi, of course, because self-love is number one. Khud ko pyar karo, phir pyar dhoondho." Clearly, the divorce was a deeply emotional experience for Dhanashree. Through her openness, she encourages others to prioritize self-love and find strength within themselves. As she moves forward, many wish her the very best in this new chapter of her life. What are your thoughts on Dhanashree's words about love and self-love? Share your views and continue following for more updates. Actress Swara Bhaskar is once again in the headlines, this time for her bold remarks on sexuality and identity. Known for speaking her mind without filters, Swara has often sparked debates, and her latest statement has gone viral too. In a recent interaction, Swara Bhaskar said, "If you leave people to themselves, they are all bisexual, but heterosexuality is an ideology that has been put in us for thousands of years." She went on to explain, "Because that is how the human race will perpetuate, so it has to be the norm." Interestingly, her husband, Fahad Ahmad, was also present during this conversation. But that wasn't the only revelation. When the host asked about her crush, Swara confessed she has one on Dimple Yadav, the wife of Uttar Pradesh's former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav. Joking about the consequences, she said that after this remark, her husband's political career in UP might also be affected. As expected, these statements sparked a wave of reactions online. While some found humor in it, many others strongly disagreed. One user wrote, "If I understand her correctly, she's saying that we are essentially not designed to eat food, but we eat because it will help us perpetually survive." Another commented, "Oh, I'm hearing this statement of us being born bisexuals after a good span of over 2 decades. Being a student of literature and attending various seminars, this used to be the most popular statement we were fed back then. My God, this woman is stuck in time." Others were far more critical. Reacting to the viral clip, one person said, "She is brainwashed. She thinks only men should be heterosexual as per her learning. Women don't have rights to become heterosexual. She is doomed as a sane person." Another questioned, "Why is she speaking up for all? Who is she? I am not bisexual. I don't think heterosexual is to expand generation. What is she saying?" Swara's unfiltered words have once again divided netizens. While some laugh it off, others feel she has crossed a line. Either way, her boldness has kept her right at the center of conversation just as always. A viral screenshot has sent social media buzzing, and it involves actor Karan Kundra. The picture, which first appeared on social media, shows what looks like Karan's profile on a dating app. In it, he's wearing a beige t-shirt and jeans, with his age listed as 40. Now, why is this making headlines? Because Karan is in a steady relationship with actress Tejasvi Prakash, whom he met during Bigg Boss 15. The alleged profile quickly became a trending topic. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Karan has a past connection with the dating app. He was once a brand ambassador for the app while dating ex-girlfriend Anusha Dandekar. That link has sparked theories that this viral profile could be an old campaign photo, while others wonder if it signals something more recent. Fans online are divided. Some questioned how Karan could be on a dating app while committed, while others brushed off the rumors. One fan said, "This looks badly edited." Another added, "Most dating app verifications are flawed, fake profiles slip through all the time." And a few even joked about Bumble's useless verification feature. Amid all the chatter, Karan finally broke his silence, but in his own cryptic way. He took to X and simply posted "lol" with a smiley emoji. The short and cheeky response left fans even more confused, unsure whether he was dismissing the buzz or hinting at something else. The couple first met on Bigg Boss 15, and their chemistry was instantly noticeable. Despite facing a few ups and downs inside the house, their bond only grew stronger, eventually turning into a committed relationship. With both families supporting them during the show, fans became even more invested in their love story. Since then, Tejran have remained inseparable, celebrating milestones together, cheering for each other, and keeping their relationship grounded in fun and mutual respect. Actors Karan Kundra and Tejasvi Prakash have been in a relationship since 2021. From reality TV romance to a real-life love story, they've often made headlines for their PDA and their rock-solid bond. For now, fans wait to see if Karan addresses the viral Bumble profile. Until then, the mystery continues. In an unusual and bold attempt to meet Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, a social media content creator recently tried to enter Khan's iconic residence, Mannat, by disguising himself as a food delivery agent. The entire incident, captured on video, has sparked a wave of reactions online. The video opens with the man standing outside Mannat, expressing his long-time wish to meet Shah Rukh Khan. When security at the main gate predictably denied him access, he decided to take a different route, one that many would consider extreme. He ordered two cold coffees using food delivery app, one for himself and one supposedly for Shah Rukh Khan. When the order arrived minutes later, he convinced the actual delivery agent to let him take the order forward. With the delivery bag over his shoulder, he confidently approached the main gate, pretending to be there on official duty. But the security guard, staying cautious, refused to let him in. Instead, he directed him to what he called a secret back door, allegedly used for private entries. At the back entrance, the man tried again, repeating the same delivery story. However, when asked to call the person who placed the order, and failing to do so, the act quickly began to unravel. The guard's composed and sharp response stood out. He said, "एक phone करेगा तो पूरा coffee वाला नाचेगा उसके सामने." Which means, if Shah Rukh Khan himself calls, even the coffee vendor would dance for him. Quickly realizing the truth that the order was placed by someone from the public crowd, the guard firmly denied him entry, bringing the stunt to an end. It's worth noting that the video may not be recent. Shah Rukh Khan and his family are reportedly not residing at Mannat currently due to ongoing renovations. While the act didn't lead to any security breach, it raises questions about how far content creators are willing to go for viral fame. Thankfully, the guards handled the situation calmly and with wit. On the professional front, Shah Rukh Khan will next appear in King, an action thriller set for release in late 2026, co-starring his daughter Suhana Khan. Tensions within Bollywood actor Aamir Khan's family have once again come to light. His brother, Faisal Khan, has openly declared that he has cut all ties with the family. In a recent interview, Faisal made some explosive claims. He alleged that Aamir had an affair with UK-based journalist Jessica Hines while still married to his first wife, Reena Datta, and even fathered a child with her. According to him, Aamir can't deny these claims. Faisal also revisited a time when he wrote an abusive letter to his family. He explained that they were pressuring him to get married again after his divorce, but he wanted time to focus on work and settle down. Sharing his side, he said, "After my divorce, my family started putting pressure on me to get married to my auntie. I was telling them to let me work and settle down. I got so upset and angry that I wrote a letter which was slightly abusive in nature to point out the relationships of my family members." In that letter, Faisal claimed he called out several family issues. "My sister Nikhat had 3 marriages. Aamir went through a divorce with Reena. He had a child with Jessica Hines out of wedlock, and then was staying with Kiran Rao. I wanted to tell them to look at themselves first. They took offense to that letter and my opposition to get married and declared me mad. No one likes to know the truth about how their marriages and their relationships are not working out. I put that mirror in front of their face." Aamir Khan married Reena Datta in 1986, and the couple has 2 children, daughter Ira Khan and son Junaid Khan. The two eventually divorced in 2002. Speaking about that period, Faisal added, "I was there around when his relationship was not working with Reena. They got divorced and then he went into his work. I was also struggling with my work." With these revelations, Faisal Khan has stirred fresh controversy around the Khan family, once again putting the spotlight on Aamir's personal life.